Hey everybody, it's Maria Willis from Card Bomb here for Tonic Studios, and Stamp Club is here. So our newest launch is called Christmas Rose. I've got it on my desk and I'd love to show you all of the pieces of it, so let's go over and check it out.
All right, this month when you get your Stamp Club envelope, you're going to be receiving the Christmas Rose Stamp and Die Bundle. As always, they come in these great plastic pouches with a labeling tab at the top, 3 holes punched at the side for binders, and an easy pull tab at the top. We've got this large Christmas Rose floral as our largest stamp, and there are 2 smaller florals as well. Then we've got a pine needle, 2 smaller stamps for creating texture, and a whole bunch of wonderful holiday sentiments in a gorgeous font. We've got 24 total dies, including floral dies, standalone holly leaves and berries, some really great standalone word dies that coordinate with the sentiment stamps, and some really terrific frames that can be used in a variety of different ways. Now let's take a look at some of the cards that I've made using this Christmas Rose bundle. As you take a look at these samples, I want you to notice that you can make cards in such a wide variety of styles, ranging from artistic to shaker cards to cards that are easily reproducible, which is wonderful for making holiday cards, and you can even make cards to hold your family photographs if that's the type of card that you like to send out around the holidays. This Christmas Rose bundle is available now exclusively from Tonic Studios. We also have a blog hop full of inspiration and a giveaway. You can find that over on my blog at cardbomb.com. For more information or to shop this wonderful bundle, click the links in the description box below. Thank you and happy crafting, everybody!